Good morning, everyone. Nag-snow pala kanina. Oh my! Paano na kaya ako papasok? Sobrang lamig. We will see. It's still 4 a.m. here. Kids are still sleeping. And my husband is working night shift. Good luck to me pagpasok. Again, good morning, everyone. It's 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to work. Oh, those are my footprints. May pasok ngayon, may lakad, may appointments. Ingat-ingat po tayo. It's still snowing. Ganitong panahon sa UK, nakakatamad. Nakakatamad pumasok. Pero walang magawa. Kailangan talagang papasok at walang cancellation ng work dito. Siyempre, tuloy-tuloy ang buhay. And I have no reason naman to absent. So, that's fair enough. Weather is not an excuse. Actually, dito sa UK, hindi naman siya ganun talaga grabe mag-snow dito sa part namin. Di katulad sa ibang lugar. You see, it's already January. Ngayon lang to nag-snow. 7 years na ako dito, pero I think this is the second pinakamalalang snow na naranasan ko so far. Siyempre, exciting for the first time, but if you're going to work like this, no, it's very, very, very cold. Struggling as well. At parang feeling ko, sobrang hirap din mag-drive ng ganitong time. Although, di pa naman ako nagda-drive, it's because pinagbawalan pa ako ng doktor na mag-drive for now. So, it's just my husband. Nakikita ko lang parang madulas yung daan. So, that's my point. That's my side. I am going to work now, going to bus station. Di ko kayang maglakad. Although, 1 mile, 1.5 miles lang ang layo from house to work. Pero sobrang lamig talaga at hindi ko kayang maglakad. At feeling ko sobrang bagal kong maglakad ngayon. Kasi medyo madulas. I'm wearing my boots. It's because it's very slippery. Complete gear talaga ako. Hindi ko